A professional day trader requires as much information as possible in order to work quickly, efficiently, and in a highly organized manner. In this video, I will show you my basic setup for order flow analysis. In this example, we are looking at a 3-minute chart of a particular US stock. I have projected a detailed footprint chart right here, which also displays essential metrics like the point of control, the value area, and the imbalances of each individual candle across the entire chart. The footprint chart is overlaid with the detailed volume profile, which is clearly shown in 3 distinct color gradations on both the bid and ask sides. It is highly recommended to display imbalances on the footprint in a distinctly different and contrasting color, so that they are not hidden or obscured, even if they are overlapped by individual segments of the volume profile. This visual representation makes it possible to map several key market factors together within a single candle without the constant need to switch to another display. This is vital because in the high-stakes environment of day trading, where timing is everything, even a few seconds can make a massive difference to your results. In the upcoming series of videos, I will demonstrate the process of how to integrate delta into a bid-ask footprint chart, and how to efficiently and compactly display every single piece of relevant information inside a candle.